Hello and welcome to Amulya's Academy YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial we'll learn how to find where Python is installed on Windows. We want to find the location or path where our Python is installed. To find the installation path or the location of our Python file, first I'll use command prompt. The first method is we can use command prompt. So in the Windows search bar, type cmd. Open up the command prompt and here you need to type command where followed by Python. Where Python and press enter. Here you can see Python file location. In the command prompt you need to use command where Python, right? This is the first method. And the second way is you can use Python IDLE. Open up Python IDLE. In the IDLE, you need to import SYS library like this. Then you can use sys.executable and here you can see the location. Right? This is the second method. And the third method is you can manually locate where Python is installed on Windows. For that, in the Windows search bar, type Python. And here you can see Python 3.12.64-bit app. Here you can see an option here, open file location. So click on that. File location is opened. In that, click on this Python 3.12.64-bit. Right click on that. And here you can see open file location. Click on that. So now if you click here, so this is the Python location or path. If you want to use this, you can use this path. Okay, so in this way you can find where our Python is installed or located in Windows. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.